Introducing this beautiful 2014 Honda Odyssey Elite conversion van. This van features a VMI in-floor automatic ramp and kneeling system. With only a little over 52,000 miles and a beautiful tan leather interior. This conversion van also features a 3.5-liter VTEC engine and a driver's side turnout seat. Regain your mobility independence with this 2014 Honda Odyssey Elite VMI conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services.